The 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is a pickup truck powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine with an automatic transmission. This pickup truck, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 18 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features power door locks, towing package, and four-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include heated power mirrors, navigation system, and satellite
find a
radio.
complimentary copy of this
Give us a
report
call to
online
schedule
or
your
contact
test
the
drive
dealership.
today.
This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Oasis Chevrolet, a Carfax Advantage dealer.